And there's breaking news now coming in with the politics that's playing out over the comments made by Nishikant Dubey and BJP's Dinesh Sharma. Opposition has been quick to latch on to those comments, even though the Bharatiya Janata Party has distanced from these remarks, saying that they are personal and that the party does not subscribe to them. Now it's Akhilesh Yadav who's hitting out at the remark made by Nishikant Dubey. He says that this is nothing but an attempt by the Bharatiya Janata Party to create a divide in the name of religion.
सच्चाई तो ये है, धार्मिक उन्माद और जातियों का झगड़ा या जातियों के बीच में एक दूसरे के प्रति विश्वास न रहना, ये बढ़ाने का काम कोई कर रहा है वो भारतीय जनता पार्टी है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी समय समय पर किस तरीके से डिवाइड एंड रूल कर सकें, ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लोगों का बहुत ही वेल प्लान प्रोग्राम चलता है। उसके लिए फंड्स लगाते हैं ये लोग। तो ये जो कुछ कहा गया, ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी की अपनी सोच है।
Now the BJP is distancing itself from the comments made by Nishikant Dubey and Dinesh Sharma. Now there is an attempt by the top leadership as well and also top leaders of the party to send out a message to those trying to attack the judiciary. The BJP goes on to say that there should be no one in the party who should undermine the judiciary or go overboard with criticism that has come from, say, the likes of Nishikant Dubey. JP Nadda has asked party leaders to refrain from making such comments while also saying that the party upholds the respect it has for the judiciary. Union Minister Ramdas Athavale too has condemned Nishikant Dubey's comments while also welcoming the BJP's decision to rebuke the MP.
मुझे लगता है जो दुबे जी है, दुबे जी हमारे संसद के सदस्य है, उन्होंने सुप्रीम कोर्ट के बारे में जो भी बयान दिया है, जेपी नड्डा साहब भारतीय जनता पार्टी के अध्यक्ष है और उन्होंने मतलब उसको रिफ्यूज किया है कि भाई ये भूमिका बीजेपी की है और सुप्रीम कोर्ट का हम आदर करते हैं। सुप्रीम कोर्ट संविधान के माध्यम से उच्च स्थान पर है, लेकिन सुप्रीम कोर्ट से हमारी भूमिका हमेशा रही है कि माननीय बाबा साहब अम्बेडकर जी ने संविधान में जो अधिकार दिए है उसमें सुप्रीम कोर्ट से पार्लियामेंट सुप्रीम है, कानून बनाने का अधिकार पार्लियामेंट को है। तो दुबे ने जो स्टेटमेंट दिया है उससे मैं सहमत हूँ।
But the opposition is in no mood to relent. It is escalating its attack on the Saffron Party and also on its MP Nishikant Dubey. The Congress has turned criticism of the judiciary as contempt of court and as one that is defamatory. AIMIM chief Asaduddin Owaisi has also attacked Nishikant Dubey. He says this is an attempt by BJP MPs to intimidate the top court while also accusing the BJP of threatening a religious war.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट का जजमेंट कानून का मौकफ रखता है। पढ़ो, तुम लोग ट्यूबलाइट हो। बीजेपी आइन पर एक फ्रॉड कर रही है और डरा रही है। रिलीजियस वार की धमकी बीजेपी दे रही है। मिस्टर मोदी, कौन रेडिकलाइज हो चुका है बताओ आप? सत्ता में आप है, आपके लोग रेडिकलाइज हो चुके हैं। इतना रेडिकलाइज हो चुके हैं कि कोर्ट को धमकी दे रहे हैं, रिलीजियस वार आएंगे।
सुप्रीम कोर्ट को कमजोर करने में लगे हुए हैं। सुप्रीम कोर्ट के जो अधिकार, संविधान जो अधिकार देता है सुप्रीम कोर्ट को, उसको काटने में, उसको कमजोर करने में लगे हुए हैं। संवैधानिक पदाधिकारी भी सुप्रीम कोर्ट के खिलाफ बोल रहे हैं, मंत्री भी सुप्रीम कोर्ट के खिलाफ बोल रहे हैं, सांसद भी, बीजेपी के सांसद भी अभी सुप्रीम कोर्ट के खिलाफ बोलने में लगे हुए हैं। क्योंकि सुप्रीम कोर्ट एक ही बात कह रही है, जब आप कानून बनाते हैं संविधान के बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर के खिलाफ मत जाइए। अगर संविधान के खिलाफ है तो इस कानून को हम स्वीकार नहीं कर सकते।
This is an anti-constitutional and clearly attracting the contempt of court activities. I think this cannot be taken as a lightly. One of the serious allegations has been made by a member of parliament against the Chief Justice of India. Direct attack on judiciary. This type of attack, we never seen. Therefore, I think Honorable Speaker has to take action on these things. And court also has to take action on these things. So this is clearly a contempt of court. Because now you have to understand, they are trying to threaten the judiciary also.
This is a defamatory statement against the Honorable Supreme Court. Nishikant Dubey is a continuous person who demolishes all other institutions. Now he has attacked the Supreme Court. Hope Honorable Supreme Court judges take this into notice, because he is not speaking in the Parliament, he is speaking outside the Parliament. Therefore, he can be attack on Supreme Court is unacceptable.
We have been watching Bharatiya Janata Party and its leaders. Their fringe elements make different kinds of statements. They make statement against Mahatma Gandhi. They make statement against Tricolor. They make statement against each and everything in this country which has been practiced for long. If they really believe in their constitution, they should immediately expel Mr. Nishikant Dubey from the party. And he is a Bharatiya Janata Party member. Mr. Narendra Modi should apologize to this country for criticizing the highest court of this land.
Earlier this week, Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar called out the top court, claiming that they're using Article 142 as a nuclear missile.
We cannot have situation where you direct President of India. And on what basis? Only right you have under the Constitution is to interpret the Constitution under Article 153, Article 142. Article 142 has become a nuclear missile against democratic forces. Available to judiciary 24/7.
And there's a lawyer who's appearing in the Supreme Court with regards to the Waqf case. This lawyer's name is Anas Tanveer. He has now formally approached the AG with a demand that contempt proceedings must be initiated against Nishikant Dubey. Now, he's also gone on to say that consent should be given under Section 51B of the Contempt of Courts Act 1971 for initiating criminal contempt proceedings against Nishikant Dubey. We also have NC Chief Farooq Abdullah, who's condemning the comments made by Nishikant Dubey. Listen in. We're standing by for Farooq Abdullah's statement, but the latest that's now coming in is the fact that there is a lawyer who has formally approached the Advocate General with the demand that contempt proceedings must be initiated against Nishikant Dubey. This demand has been made. What is the procedure that should follow? We'll tell you all about that. But the latest criticism that's coming in, it is from Farooq Abdullah. Farooq Abdullah too has criticized Nishikant Dubey for the comments he made against the judiciary.
देखिए, 4 pillars हैं डेमोक्रेसी के. पार्लियामेंट, जुडिशरी इज द टॉप, एग्जीक्यूटिव, ये इस डेमोक्रेसी को जिंदा रखते हैं. अगर कोई गलत कानून आ गया तो हम लोग पार्लियामेंट में जाकर इस सुप्रीम कोर्ट में जाते हैं, उनके सामने दलील हैं और वो दलील को सुनते हैं. ऐसे पार्लियामेंट के मेंबर को ऐसी बात करना